Alright guys, got a 2024 International LT625. It's got codes 171. You see them or not? It's 171, and then FMI 3 and FMI 19, ambient air temperature. So went to the other computer and tried to find out where the sensor's at, and the sensor is in the mirror. And I pulled the covers off. It was unplugged like this, so it was a pretty easy fix. So I'm just gonna plug that in, and the code should go inactive. You can see them green checks right here, meaning that they're active. Of course they're active. It's unplugged, so we're going to plug that in and get it inactive. And let me stop this thing right here, and I'll show you where I found how to locate the ambient temp sensor. So hopefully this helps somebody find it quicker. Just look on my video, and I'll show you the ambient temperatures in the left mirror. So we'll be right back. And this is on the international website. You just need that number right there on top, 000-128-2371. It'll bring you to where the location of the ambient air temperature sensor is located. It's located in the left mirror. So first thing I did was take those screws out, and I found the plug unplugged. So let's go back to the truck and plug it back in and see what happens to our codes. I want to attempt to set this camera up. I'm just going to plug that in. Plug this back in. I don't know how it got unplugged. There it goes. Now she's locked. It's plugged in, and the codes should go inactive. Let's see if the codes went inactive. That's probably gonna. Not yet, they're not inactive. Let me cycle the key once. See if they go inactive. I'm just going to clear them. Now they're both inactive now. You can clear them again. They'll all go away because we are plugged back up. So, all right, that's a code for another day. It's forward special instructions, forward facing radar. Thing just came back from the body shop, so it's probably got something unplugged up there too. So all right, we're going to end this video here, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, comment. You all know what to do. See ya.